Welcome everyone. Today we'll be doing something about passwords. Password on that you've signed into different websites and different subscriptions, and you try to log in and you've forgotten the password, and you are pushed to the point when you want to click on forgot password. Please do not click on forgot password. So long as you saved this password the first time you logged in, you saved it to your Gmail, right? By clicking automatic update, your password is saved somewhere in your Gmail. Yes, it is. It is there. You just have to go get the password, and or probably copy it from your Gmail and come paste here, and you log in, and you're good to go. So please do not, I repeat, do not reset or click forgot password. I want to try something now and see to show you. Try random password and see. You said your account or password is incorrect. If you do not remember your password, reset it now. I'm not going to reset this. I want to go get my password right away. So let's go get a password. I'll come to my Gmail. This is my Gmail. So what I want to do now is click on my name icon on top of the search bar, the right. So I'll click on Google account. Now, you have home, you have personal info, you have data and privacy, you have security. Now, the account I was about to log into was my Outlook account, which is live.com. So I want to come down to where it is written your saved password. Now you said password manager, you have 70 passwords saved in your Google account. Password manager makes it easier to sign into sites and apps you use on any signing device. So click on it and you're going to see all the apps that you've signed into. Here they are. So I can search for Outlook. It's not there. So I'll search for live.com. It's there. But I could still scroll down to where live is. This is live.com. See the Outlook icon here. So click on it. You might have to enter your password or use your fingerprint. Mine is that your phone normal password or fingerprint that used to unlock your phone. So click on it and it brings you to where your password is already. So here's my password. I'll just copy it now. Copy, and I'll come back to where the Outlook is. Then I'll just paste. There you go. So let's sign in now. You see, I can say don't show this again. Yes, stay signed in, and that my account is open and is ready to go. So that is how it is. Please do not reset your password. Do not always have to reset and because the more you reset, the more you get to forget and reset all over again. It's to save the time and stress. Just go copy the password and paste on wherever you want to log into. And please, unless you are using your mobile device, please don't save your password on another person's phone. It should be your phone. Anytime you log into it and any of the sites you want to log into, please save your password for a time like this when you don't have to reset passwords over and over again. Thank you very much.